Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Bike Accessories Catalog System. And this project we have developed in Java JSP and MySQL. So the JDK version we are using is JDK 1.8, Tomcat version is Tomcat version 9, and MySQL version is 5.6. Also, I have used Jam server for MySQL database, that is the PHP which is GUI and we are running this project on port 8080. Also you can run this project on NetBeans, right? So let's start with the feature and functionality, go through that. What are the features, what are the modules available inside of this project? First of all, this is a mini project and it's a web based project which we have developed in Java JSP and MySQL. For front-end development, we have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used for adding the validations and all, right? So once you run this project on Tomcat server, you will get this homepage. You can see some products are coming on the homepage. This all products are coming from the database directly, right? And also this is a mini project which doesn't have admin panel. Only customer operations are here. But if you need the admin panel, we have different projects and we will develop the admin panel also, right? So once you run this page, you will get this home page. This is a about page and this is a static page. There is nothing dynamic on it. This is all products. All of the products which we have added into the database will be rendered here, and you can filter out the product on clicking on this links. You can see here, right? This is so by category. These categories also available here in the menu. You will click and you will get the data. This is the registration page, and from here you can register, and after that you can purchase the product. This is a login page. From here you can log in and you can check your cart and you can make the payment and purchase the product. This is a contact us page, and this is a static contact us page. There is nothing dynamic on it, and we are not sending any type of email and SMS from this page. So now I am going to add some products in my cart. So you can see this is a product and add item into the cart. So there are some other products which we have added into the cart, right? If I want to remove it, just click on this icon and that will be removed from the data. You can check, right? Now continue shopping, and this I want to add one gloves also, add product, and then continue shopping, and this one I want to add this one plus. Sorry, I think there is some issue. So this one add to cart, right? So three items we have added into the cart. Once you click on the proceed to checkout, it will ask your user ID and password. As I told you earlier, you can't buy any product without login. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test. Once you log in, it's asking for your shipping address. You can enter any shipping address, right? So here you can shipping address and proceed to payment. Once you click on proceed to payment, you will get a dummy page. You can see this is a dummy page. Here you need to enter the credit card details and the name of the card, name of the card, and the type and expiry month and year, all right, and the CVV number. And the amount paid is total amount you need to pay is 6,300 rupees. So once you click on the make payment, you will get this order number, right? This is order number 19, and you have ordered three items here, right? Total amount you paid is 6,300 rupees. You can see all of your orders in the my order section. You can see there are four orders, right? If you click on view items, you will be able to see the items in that order, right? This is a my account section. From here you can see your account details and you can update your account details. And this is the dashboard. From here you can see the dashboard, right? So these extra menus you are seeing because customer has login. If I log out, then this menu will not be displayed, right? If I log in, then this menu will be displayed because it's a session driven. It renders according to the session, right? The system is checking that customer has login or not. If customer has login, then it will render different menu. If customer is not login, it will render different menu, right? This is a dashboard. This is a my order section which I already explained you. This is a my account, and this is a contact us and the logout, right? Once you click on the logout, the whole session will be destroyed and you will not be uh, able to access the internal pages, right? So these all features we have developed inside this project, which title is Bike Accessories Catalog System or Bike Accessories Sales Portal, right? So as I told you, this is a Java JSP MySQL project, and it's a mini project which has only and only customer operations. But if you need extra features, any enhancement in this project, just put it into the comments. We will incorporate those changes and we will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.